Hey, hi all. In this today's session, we'll talk about what are all AngularJS expressions. So, in the previous classes, we have seen AngularJS directives, and also we have seen like how to create application and controller, and then how to use a model to bind the uh, data to the HTML control. Now, in this session, we'll see like what is an Angular expression, AngularJS expression, and how we are going to use it. So as part of AngularJS directives, we talk about ng app and an ng init, right? So ng init basically using it for defining the data. So where you can define a collection of data or individual variable data, and that particular ng init data, initialization of data, is going to be used using AngularJS expressions. So AngularJS expressions are used to bind application data to HTML, and the syntax of this AngularJS expression is using double curly braces. And using that double curly braces, we are going to assign the relevant variable value to the HTML control. So expressions behave similar to ngbind directive, what we discussed in the earlier sessions. But thing is, this the way you are using it is different. So syntax is different, but the main intention and the inside of no execution process is similar, because the thing is to bind the initialized data to HTML control. Okay, let's see in some small example. Before to that, I just wanted to define the definition of AngularJS expressions. So AngularJS expressions are used to bind application data to HTML. So expressions are written inside double curly braces. Double curly braces, such as in double curly braces and the expression. Okay, so this behaves similar to ngbind directives. That means expressions are behave similar to, right, ngbind directives. So AngularJS expressions are pure JavaScript expressions and output of the data where they are used, right? So AngularJS expressions are, right, pure JavaScript expressions and output the data where they are used. So example, right? So let's say that the student name. So I'll say that if it was in somewhere like in the class called student, then I can say student dot name. Okay. So this way it is going to fetch the data from AngularJS application. Okay. So it will render the student name and display as, right, student name equal to whatever name you are defining, that is going to be displayed. That means before to this, you need to define a div tag, that is ng app and ng init, right? Here you need to define, right, the initialization of your student, right? The class or whatever you feel that it is suitable for you, like student equal to, and within this curly braces, you can say name equal to boom curly and comma roll number equal to 3387, like this. So this thing I'm going to refer using this particular AngularJS expression. Okay, so let's see this an example. Go to my Visual Studio Coder. So I'll be creating another file called HTML. And I'll take this particular bit because this is almost same. So AngularJS 4, this is my head section, right? AngularJS expressions demo. And after closing this head, I'm going to start body. Instead of this form tag if you want, but this is optional. And inside of this, I'm going to define one header tag sample application for AngularJS expressions. And here I'm going to define my div tag with ng app as empty and ng init as student, and here first name Ramana. This would be in single quotes. Okay. And next one is last name. This is Gompalli, right? And if you want to define roll number, you can define it. This is one variable, right? And after that, and I want to define another variables as well. Like I want to define college, right? College equal to ABCD college. Okay, semicolon, and location equal to Japan. Okay, and you just keep semicolon here because I want to define mocks as well. And after that, I'm going to define mocks in some array, right? So this way I can define my mocks as well. Okay, now I'm closing my div tag. This is my initialization part. Now what I'll do is I'll define, correct, HTML controls hello. Okay, I'll use bold tag. Instead of this, I'm going to use student first name. This is first name. There's some space, and again I'll use student dot last name. Okay. And secondly, I'll use control P, college name. I'll directly use college. Let's see what is going to happen. And then location. Okay. And let me print the roll number. Hello. Roll number. This was actually in student dot roll number, right? And after this, I want to print mocks. P mocks. Okay. And let us say like first one is map. I'll say this is the right array defined. I'm going to refer index 3. That means this value I want to refer it, or this one. Let's see. And after this, close this so that what value it is going to print. Okay. Now let me try this, how it would render. Just open this in browser. See here, what happened? Double quotes. Why this double quotes? This is something. This is something. Okay. Do we actually require this? I don't think it is required. me see this. Oops, plus also not required. Why? Something mistake happened. Open with service. This is hello. Then just displaying it. And then roll number, and then college name is ABCD, and location is 8 is mocks because 0, 1, 2, 3 is index. Make it as 5. So you just print all individual mocks. This is English, and this is maths, this is social, this is science, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Okay, this is you know, what else I need to display here? Physics. We change this index. This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. And this is 3. And this is 4. Just go back and see here. All the values are displayed. 90, 80, 75, 85, and 90. So this way, this regular expressions are going to work. This I mentioned bold again, so this is displaying bold, and other values are displaying as in the regular format. Okay, so this is something about regular expressions, sorry, angular expressions. We are going to use it with double curly braces here. So this is the syntax. Instead of this, you can use whatever variable value you want to refer it here. In this case, I refer JSON, and these are individual variables here. And this is array. Okay, so with a simple example and a single example, I explained how to use JSON and how to use an individual variables and how to use an array. Okay, so I hope you understood the regular AngularJS expressions and how we are going to use it using curly braces. Okay, so thanks for listening to this video, and please subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.